Oh, yo, Nick. What's for lunch?
Donny. I want a chocolate souffle.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
Guys, welcome back to What's for Lunch. Nick, third appearance on What's for Lunch.
Yep, that's right, that's right. It's a
Reoccurring
huge
guest.
honor.
The
We're
first
just talking over each other. We have zero fucking chemistry.
It's all right. You know,
Okay.
we gotta start somewhere. Start over then. Third time, reoccurring guest.
Feels really good, man, and damn am I hungry.
Oh, happy Valentine's Day too. This is why you're here. It's a Valentine's.
Yo, miss me with that.
Yeah, well, I love you, dude.
Nothing's more romantic than cooking.
That's true. We learned that last time, but my grandma she told me, no more talking about kissing guys.
She got mad at
She was
you.
not happy. She's a little old-fashioned.
Oh my God.
Sorry, Grandma. All right, so Nick, today we're making souffle. It is Valentine's Day. It's not as hard as it seems. People get a little scared when they hear souffle.
It's because of the accent on that last
It
E.
is, yeah. We have the two E's. There's chocolate, there's butter, what's not to like. So we're gonna start out we have to separate some eggs.
Separate some eggs?
Yeah, so I need the yolks and the whites.
Okay.
Are you good at this?
Yes.
You are? Okay.
Yes.
All right, well, I'm gonna show you the easiest way. Have you seen this one?
Then you
play
go like
catch
that,
with
like
it?
a mad
Yeah.
scientist.
Yeah. You can do it right through your hand, and then the whites fall out, the yolks go in there. All
Okay,
right, so I'm gonna have you do that.
Yeah, easy.
Make sure there's no yolks in the white, and there's less whites in the yolk, but the no yolk in the white is important.
Yeah.
Okay?
Fuck!
The one thing. Okay, well, that's good. That's fine.
No, dude, I'm not, listen.
You wanna do
I'm
that?
a grown ass man. I can do this.
We'll each do one. We'll get this over with. All right?
Fuck!
All right, well.
Here, watch out. You're in my way, dude.
Oh my God.
You haven't seen this technique?
No, I actually haven't. What do you call this?
It's unnamed, actually.
Okay, nice. Here, why don't you pour that in my hand? Just pour it in my hand.
What do you mean pour it in your hand?
Drop a whole yolk in my hand.
Buddy, look at this strand. And
There you go.
yolk.
Okay, that was perfect. This is not supposed to be a frustrating thing to make, so.
Souffle isn't?
Well, it's supposed to be
Well,
Valentine's
yeah,
Day.
everybody's making
Imagine
souffle all
if-
the time. It's like a PB&J, dude.
If your girlfriend or whoever you're cooking for just heard you yell like that while she's probably like, this
she
is not.
no, she would think the passion is sexy.
That's true. All right, I forgot about the passion. All right, we made a bit of a mess, so I'm gonna get a towel.
Yeah, we did. What does souffle mean?
Souffle means like with the wind. Souffle is like blow, so I guess blown up.
It means blow?
It means to like blow on.
What
it.
are you trying to?
whistle.
Why are you bringing me in here? All right, man. All right, dude.
We're gonna mix these together until there's a paste. You wanna do that?
Yep, I do. Is this supposed to be like a paste?
Yeah. Sorry, that's scary.
No.
This I'm going with whole milk and sugar.
Oh, last episode when I asked the gayest thing you've ever done, you said kiss a dude.
Yeah.
Somebody DM me a picture of you.
No, shut the fuck up. No way.
Of you, I have it. I'll send it to you so we could probably overlay it right there. It's you in a Speedo.
No.
You're touching like a bulge to another guy, and it was on somebody else's Instagram.
That I don't remember. I don't know if I
No, and that takes the cake as gay.
What the
Yeah,
fuck?
man. I'll show it to you. I got a DM saying Donnie's a liar.
No, then that's not me.
No, it definitely was.
No,
you.
there's no way.
Buddy, it was. So if I'm acting a bit standoffish, yeah, I'm afraid you're gonna try and fuck me, dude. Yeah, you heard that right, Donnie's grandma. Wait till she sees this picture.
She's a little old-fashioned.
Wait till she
Grandma.
sees this.
Oh, fuck. So now we're gonna put that into the hot milk. All right, so see how this is thickening up now?
Oh yeah, it looks good.
Now this all goes kind of quick. Chocolate goes in. Yes, throw it around. All right, look at that. Now we're melted. Chocolate melted.
That happened really fast.
I know, now
What's
get those-
the issue? Why do we have to go speed?
I don't know. That's how I learned it.
Okay.
No, egg yolks, not the whites.
In?
Okay, so we butter it. This is called chemise. It's a technique where you put butter in it, and then you put sugar,
Okay.
and you roll the sugar around.
You're coating the bowl.
Yep.
So it's like spraying ham.
Kinda.
Exactly. Am I allowed to lick this?
Yeah, you can lick that, sure.
Is there a raw egg in it?
Yeah, but that's the least of your concern.
What's the most of my concern?
The flour?
Really?
Aren't you gluten-free?
Wait, there's flour in this?
What did you think you mixed the butter with?
I didn't pay attention.
Yes, there's a little flour.
Oh, I'm gonna get sick.
Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get those egg whites, sugar, and we are gonna whip them in a bowl until they are frothy. You'll see. Keep going. It takes some time. Gotta go harder than that.
Harder than that?
Yeah.
It's getting gelatinous.
Is it?
Yeah, it's looking like ghost ectoplasm. You know ghost ectoplasm?
No, like the.
It's like the remnants of
science
ghosts.
term? Oh.
If you like vaporize a ghost.
Where would I know this from?
Just like science. That's what good pussy sounds like. And you hear this, you have thin walls and you hear this on the other side. Probably next to me. I was just getting started. That's frothy as hell, dude.
It's getting there. We need a little more because this is the key with the souffle. This is where it gives you all the air.
Okay.
Comes from the egg white.
You want me to finish it off?
Finish it off. Keep going.
Subterranean. Keep it underground. Pretty stiff.
Let's check it.
Was that a chemical reaction we witnessed?
I don't think so. I don't think we didn't combine any chemicals.
Well, we. All right. You know what? I'll just be fucking quiet.
All right, so now we'll take the chocolate mixture, and we just want to lightly fold that into this.
Look at that.
Now we're gonna take this and lightly fold it in. So you're
you're like
mixing
whipping it over.
Yeah.
You have a special someone on Valentine's Day?
I don't.
Not that guy from the picture?
Not that guy from the picture. I don't recall that guy. No. So that's the consistency we want. These are gonna go for like 17 minutes. And if you have an edge, you want to just knock the edge down. We don't really have an edge. You don't want to hit it down because all the air is still in there.
No, we bake this. Look at that.
If we do it right, like an inch above the glass, it's gonna come to life.
Really?
Yes, it'll rise. Yeah.
Holy shit. And it's gonna be like super light. Is it a pastry?
Super light, and it'll be molten chocolate like lava cake on the inside.
So
all right, Nick, so now come and look at this.
No way it is up there.
Yeah.
It is way up there.
Yeah.
Hey, can you come down and try this souffle I made? Okay, cool. See you, bud. You wanna get Brandon's tubby ass?
We can get Brandon's fat ass in here too.
Hey, you gross piece of shit. Souffle's ready. You wanna try some? He's gonna walk real zesty. He's gonna walk.
All right.
Since he's gluten-free, he can't eat it. Brandon Walker, you're gonna try it. Thanks for coming on.
Kyle, welcome.
Ooh!
That was like a project.
There's our
Look at that.
We got
Who
great
made it?
fries out of that. Nick made it.
All Nick?
No. Look at the plating, Donny.
So I'm gonna just take it, we'll pull it up.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Oh.
That's
Get in
nice.
there.
Thank you very much. Fabulous.
Fabulous.
Give Kyle some.
Kyle?
Kyle, happy Valentine's Day, Kyle.
It's a lap dance on my taste buds.
It's a
I'm a girl in sequin jeans.
I don't know what that even means, but guys, that was a Valentine's Day special. Thanks for being here, Nick. Great souffle. We'll see you guys next time.
God damn, I'm proud of that.